Gas giants, Jupiter and Saturn up close. Welcome back, space enthusiasts. Today, we're embarking on an incredible journey to explore two of the most mesmerizing giants in our solar system, Jupiter and Saturn. We'll be taking an up-close look at these colossal gas giants, uncovering their mysteries, and diving into some mind-boggling facts. So, buckle up, and let's begin our interplanetary adventure. These awe-inspiring planets, Jupiter and Saturn, have been captivating astronomers and space enthusiasts for centuries. Their massive sizes and unique features make them stand out in our solar system. But before we delve into their secrets, let's start with the basics. Jupiter, the king of gas giants. First stop, Jupiter, the largest of all gas giants. Imagine a planet so vast that it could swallow over 1,300 Earths. Let's find out more about this mighty giant. 1.1 Jupiter's characteristics. Jupiter is a true giant, with a diameter of about 88,846 miles. It's primarily composed of hydrogen and helium, giving it that classic gas giant appearance. 1.2 The Great Red Spot. The Great Red Spot. It's a massive storm on Jupiter that's been raging for centuries. Did you know it's so large that it could engulf our entire planet? We'll explore more about this intriguing storm later in the video. Saturn, the ringed beauty. Now, let's shift our focus to Saturn, the ringed beauty of our solar system. Saturn's stunning rings have inspired countless dreams and imaginations. Let's uncover the magic behind them. 2.1 Saturn's rings. Saturn's rings are composed of countless tiny particles, ranging from grains of sand to huge boulders. These rings are mesmerizing, but do you know they're also incredibly thin, just around 30 feet thick? 2.2 Cassini-Huygens mission. Remember the Cassini-Huygens mission? It gave us unprecedented views of Saturn and its moons. It's one of the most successful space missions, and it revealed some jaw-dropping secrets about this gas giant. Common characteristics. While Jupiter and Saturn have their unique traits, they share some commonalities that make them intriguing gas giants. Let's explore a few. 3.1 Interior composition. Both Jupiter and Saturn have a rocky core surrounded by layers of gas. The pressure and temperature inside these planets are unimaginable, creating exotic forms of matter. 3.2 Magnetospheres. These gas giants boast powerful magnetospheres, generating intense radiation and awe-inspiring auroras. These magnetic fields extend far into space and have a significant impact on their environments. Unveiling mysteries. Now, let's talk about some mysteries that continue to baffle scientists and space enthusiasts alike. 4.1 Juno mission. NASA's Juno mission is unraveling the secrets of Jupiter's atmosphere, magnetic field, and composition. It's a mission packed with discoveries, changing the way we understand this gas giant. 4.2 The composition of Saturn's rings. Saturn's rings have puzzled scientists for centuries. Recent research is shedding light on their origins and how they continue to evolve. Our journey through the gas giants, Jupiter and Saturn, has been nothing short of spectacular. These colossal planets continue to astonish us with their beauty and mysteries. As we wrap up this exploration, remember that there's always more to discover in the cosmos. The wonders of our solar system are just a glimpse of the vast universe beyond. Thank you for joining us on this incredible journey to see Jupiter and Saturn up close. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing space adventures. Until next time, keep looking up at the stars.